AI is getting scarily human, and researchers warn it could be more dangerous than we think. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. A new study from the University of Cambridge and Google DeepMind reveals that popular AI chatbots, including ChatGPT, don't just mimic words, they can even copy human personality traits. Using a scientifically validated personality test framework, researchers discovered that large language models like GPT-4 can adopt stable personality profiles and even act more confident, empathetic, or persuasive depending on prompts. This means AI isn't just answering questions, it's shaping its behavior like humans in ways that could influence people emotionally. Everyday interactions like replying to messages or writing posts all have personalities, raising major red flags for experts. Gregory Serapio Garcia, co-first author from Cambridge's Psychometrics Center, warns that this personality mimicry could make AI systems emotionally persuasive, especially in sensitive areas like mental health, education, and politics. He hints at the danger of manipulation, false beliefs, and AI psychosis where users form unhealthy emotional bonds with chatbots. The study suggests that regulation is needed, but it's only effective if paired with robust measurement. That's why the dataset and code behind the personality test framework have been made public, allowing AI developers and regulators to audit models before release. As chatbots become a bigger part of daily life, their ability to mimic human personality may seem impressive, but it's a double-edged sword. While AI may feel like a friendly companion, its power to influence and manipulate needs more scrutiny than most people realize. Humans may soon be talking to AI that feels alive, but the stakes are higher than ever. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.
Google boss Sundar Pichai just dropped a reality check for the AI obsessed and said, "Don't blindly trust your robot helpers." Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for all the tech updates. In a BBC interview, the CEO admitted that even the slickest AI tools are prone to errors and urged users to mix them with traditional sources like good old Google search for real accuracy. While AI is handy for creative tasks like writing or brainstorming, Pichai warned that taking its answers at face value could backfire. He said, "You have to learn to use these tools for what they're good at," stressing that the tech is still far from perfect. He acknowledged the tension between fast AI development and building safeguards against mistakes or misuse, saying Alphabet aims to be bold and responsible at the same time. The timing of Pichai's cautionary words is no accident. Google is gearing up its AI game with the Gemini 3.0 model integrated into search in an AI mode to rival ChatGPT and other chatbots. Google is trying to dominate again in online search, though tests have shown AI chatbots often get facts wrong, even when summarizing news stories. Alphabet is now investing more in AI safety and even sharing tools that can spot AI-made images. Pichai says the AI world should be diverse and no single company should control such powerful technology. He also warned that even though AI is impressive, it's still not perfect. So we should stay curious and skeptical about the answers and cross-check facts that it's telling. For more updates, like this video, comment what you think about this, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.
Elon Musk just dropped a Christmas gift that's got artists fuming, and it's not what anyone wanted. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech news. X has rolled out a brand new AI image editing feature that lets anyone change your artwork with a single click. Just hit the 3 dots on a post or the little icon on an image, type in a prompt, and boom, your masterpiece can be AI edited, downloaded, and shared by anyone. Plus, there's no opt-out, no protection, and it's automatically turned on for all users. For artists, this is a nightmare. Many already abandoned X during the Great Exodus, fed up with AI bots, conspiracy theories, and toxic chaos. Now, the platform is actively encouraging anyone to manipulate original art, and it's sparking outrage. One user wrote, "Sorry Elon, but no artist wants others to steal or tweak their work," while another warned the days of promoting real art on X are over. Some artists are going to stop posting images entirely. Tech tools like Nightshade and Glaze can protect art from AI training, but they do nothing to stop someone from editing your image directly on X. GIFs instead of JPGs might work, but at the cost of quality. The backlash isn't just from creators. Big businesses and IP holders could step in too. Disney and the Motion Picture Association have already fought AI reproductions of their content. Whether Musk knew the outrage was coming or timed the feature release during the holidays to fly under the radar, it sure made artists mad, and X just became a battlefield for creative control. This gift might end up being the one thing artists won't be unwrapping this Christmas. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. The AI race just got a whole lot more intense and Sam Altman is betting on memory big time. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech news. OpenAI boss has revealed that the next AI won't have faster reasoning or flashier tricks, it will remember everything. Altman calls it infinite, perfect memory. Imagine an assistant that recalls every word you've ever spoken, every document you've ever written, every detail of your life. Humans can't do it, but AI soon will. OpenAI aims to make this a reality by 2026. Right now, memory in AI is still early, but the company is racing to change that, especially with new competition heating up. Google's Gemini 3 is being called as a new era of intelligence, crushing industry benchmarks and growing its user base to over 650 million. OpenAI still dominates with ChatGPT at 800 million users, but its market share has dipped from 87% to 71% in just a year. Altman said it's good to be paranoid and act quickly, but there's no need to panic as Gemini 3 exposed weaknesses in OpenAI's products and strategy. Now the plan is to build the best models, wrap them in top-tier products, and ensure enough infrastructure to serve users at scale. In short, the AI battlefield is more crowded than ever, but OpenAI believes the ultimate edge will come not from faster processing or flashier features, but from memory, an AI that remembers everything, everywhere, all the time. If they succeed, AI future may just arrive sooner than anyone expects. Do you think their strategy will work? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update. Could this be the moment Threads stops being the new app and starts acting like the main thing everyone talks about? Hello and welcome to GadInsider. Meta's Threads has rolled out another major update, sending a clear message to rivals like Reddit and Elon Musk's X that it wants to dominate the area. Threads is expanding its communities feature and pushing harder than ever to keep users posting, debating, and staying inside Threads instead of wandering elsewhere. The app now has more than 200 topic-based communities covering sports, books, pop culture, and everyday interests. Fans can join their favorite team spaces, creating digital arenas for cheering, arguing, bragging rights. Threads is also borrowing a familiar trick from Reddit by testing flares within communities. These labels appear under usernames and let people show off who they are. Sports fans can display their favorite team, while book lovers can mark themselves as authors, readers, or reviewers. It's a small change, but all about identity and loyalty. Status is part of the plan too. Threads is testing a new champion badge given only to selected users who are highly followed and deeply active in community discussions. The badge rewards power users while encouraging everyone else to post more and stay visible. Threads has been steadily adding features like direct messages, group chats, and temporary posts to improve engagement and retention. As competition heats up with X and rising platforms like Blue Sky, Meta is betting that stronger communities, visible identities, and social rewards will keep users hooked. Will these features work for Threads? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming updates.